Russia's ruble is continuing its steady fall, despite the Russian central bank spending at least $40 billion to prop up the currency, which is being battered by a slide in oil prices as well as Western sanctions over the Ukraine crisis. The ruble's plight is a growing worry for everyday Russians. Steady ruble is much better than a falling ruble, that's all I can say. It is a mess. The dollar is getting much more expensive, and it is happening very fast. I think nowadays no one is happy about it. I think if oil prices will keep falling, and our economy is very dependent on the oil pipe, the dollar and euro most likely will go up again. Everything is getting more expensive, and we are getting poorer. This is expected. What did Karl Marx call it? Capitalism. The ruble has lost almost 20% of its value over the last few months, while the price of oil has also fallen well below $100 per barrel, a critical threshold which could leave Moscow unable to balance its budget. Major Russian firms are also struggling, as they are barred from Western capital markets, but still need foreign currency to service their overseas debts.